Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Obìnrin àṣẹ ìgbà mi jẹ́ ọ̀tí ẹ̀fọ́ yìí ẹni wà ẹ̀fọ́ this issue abẹ́ nka for once yie atunji for once mi hunu ti sẹ́ di ẹni ẹ̀yí security issues yà bá nansi yẹ kàn wá.
Wo bẹ comment ẹ wọ hɔ soso.
Yẹ jáde tó nkyɛn. Na ayenko issues no omu yie na se yehu se individuals bia contribute towards the bia ya bedu ya na we deal with people as individuals are em say kasa nyuma yi etu betwa from my experience no empe bebre no this technocrats ne civil servants no they get away with omo enyoma bi a mini nua ajekum say make wa be pa respect me be a minute nyadwen and they say or say those people sometimes they feel threatened until you sit there and continue to be paid, receive your salaries and allowances and what have you be not you compromise on no compromise on no money boka. Why should we continue entertaining you in that office? But empebe ben kwantisa omu yi dempa omu tembia omu kan help ubetu ye mu be konye da ho a it they misbehave to a large extent. A lot of these agencies, ministries, knowing say the politicians at the end of 4 years, you be sacrifice another batch of politicians as Saba. And say issues ne banswa as usual. As MPP, NDC, no more THD, no more because you can see you go back to this said you can ye history you can say the meaning can both technocrats be involved and our politicians be involved and they pushing in a question crisis. Our brave be planning proper planning implementing according to paper that's a year to begin with no nkaye could do crisis no more. Now you could do crisis no more. Obinsu who say yes, you do crisis here. Wo abade e ne yem fatu more emrai. We dey makai. Those them na ye call be.
Na ye den comment.
Na me MP no.
Aha, fe na ukasa.
Na ye call conference bi obabi. Krom he ya. Otika yi sa na ye ne me nkwara yi bi ne ye kokuduru ne ye kwa na ebufe. Papa ba ko hu bufe. Yey, adaka be.
Atunu ne sere. Was this.
Ogina say me no ka say no wadi nkosu yanko about 15.
Can you imagine?
Odi we. Afi ye kwatena say ahwehwe papa ya. Ono kwa nyame fa ne kransie ye. Ofim. Ye hwe no bia ye hu no. Afi obi kan say yo nipa ba ko na da pool inside home swimming pool. They say afi wadi ade ne nyafu na busa na ntumi kura ho me na say ne ho titi a oye wu o ma akoda pool nche baby. Never say
ba me fan so ye me nua ba ko fere kwa me amponsan ye boa. Da sebre na maame ewu 2013. Ani akwa koduru juso. So maame one kwakwa free fire mu aponko ene tenae. Enti chete kwakwa free fire de fan me maame se ne maame no. Ena kwakwa free fire se sa de a e de ono so no contribution se edomi ade ba yi no. We mu nkoda sa hotel ha sei. Na omudana kamafa. Omoduane no mbibia mafa. Edi akwa me amponsan ye boa da sebre eso meso aduane mu. Odi bibia bi. Afedi ahoma kire ye sore se ye kona yakwa ko hwefure ya. Awe amponsan ka che bebre afedi se kwa kupon ko de meba. What means are free? In the business. So adianefu. It was you know wedi.
So ana kwa mi kan wo da pool side home na itire na medical house bi ono ye ya say ye ndus no mfi kakra.
Oh well.
Afi ye ya go in the wall.
It just happened.
What you mean ogina ohumi na ni nyina aye. So it would be two way ho a. You push your into crisis. And yes, na PPAC young sensan. We the ba
papa no homete. baby obedru bia obi ka bibi kura na woni ano no asom obi ka woni ano no
asom ohu no asom miwa osom nyina no enye political decisions go on no make you there were technocrats and civil servants and edi akire advice they all kinds of
no more platform bia sa platform no na woda so obi baby onam bia no mo tunofo no otie and then he relied on the no more can
it we nyina ka bom wie na afia ya sensa ade na ama na bro so tze me nipa ya make us we di aduane na because I na afia ontumi home na obi be advice say omo induce no fe nti just imagine say nipa na o ma wa fe no obo am wa fe no na di aduane ni bi fa ne hwenu mu a so sorry ya say una yemblem una ama na afa me hwenu do we blame nipa na ama na afa hwenu mu na say una okotena na wo di aduane no left right center
irresponsibly
yes. Ntina me pese e be play blame game bebre no as to say hwan and we di aduane no bebre ma yanya SS so that me SS na kwa akoba for which reason I who say SS capacity here we e ka say obi tembia after decision making there sometimes you get it right sometimes you get it wrong obi fi say no ade we there e ka say man atna ha by the next 2-3 years e bia you be cost billions of dollars therefore me feel say and ye na yen terminate na yen pay something I don't know be boy but one na advice ye ma ye be do sa stages nyina now aso matete na ye be play the political game CCR be ya be do attorney general one na sign one na sign o ma advice technical opinion that nyina eti ho no mo siri ho kokko check we be ko ministries ne energy commission ne say nyina all these people are still at post. They are still at post.
Look at you. And they don't get exposed.
They don't. Yabubodi, Yamomu Biadi kwa. Yamomu Biadi da.
Because the director of power city energy ministry.
Otiho, energy commission, chief executive. Otiho, whatever. Umunyina ubi ada huo. Technical, apart from political places, I say be a grid co, and as easy na they are ban be a political. Yes, some. O market na ashishe. At best, maybe you're moving your transfer from one table to another table. We did the same
lateral movement.
Yes, we did the same a year. Any idea about do baby? I say, hey, and you see a terminate at the end. He said, you're Mukayano, committee. No, I mean, can you imagine? The more matrasia since I didn't be bring yes, and trust yes, anti committee news at the end. I feel they are broso. If you are in your dinner too much, you know, your funny means be not. Again na adwenkyira koba okay the new SS14 ya sensan a emu 11 yi de ye hwe ha ne hwe ha ma ye betumi terminate we mu de ye betumi amana ato aso from the next 2-3 years we de ye nko negotiate ye nyese we de ye nko say
SS power no in due course but expensive intina o terminate ato aguo no anka itimi en negotiate forward planning. Any normal could we have renegotiated on the EPA?
EPA
no EPA this time emergency power. Emergency power
agreement. Madam for be tell me what yes madam for no me boss. Na me latter day since as regional accountant he was the area accountant for Africa. Say, look, lack of planning on your part should never constitute emergency on you. One planning with Juma ye, now ban on way in a Juma. I remember Jinano so many can say, wait, attention, yeah. He said, okay, and said, idea, you're planning, yeah. And the issue of emergency, no can come back. Because okay, you see a difference, say, natural disaster be AC maybe a power ni be shut down all of a sudden any those things there any different to me if no emergency mediatum but not where 2, 3, 4, 5 years you can is now all of a sudden now you can acco off now say me per emergency even that emergency still took about 2, 3, 4 years to be resolved. How do you call that emergency? And then I confirm no emergency I may to me. So, lack of planning.
Normal.
Considering your necessary emergencies on us.
We are yes, we are casado.
Mamo.
Yeah, I need the summon.
Of course, said it there. Ye kasa by no so cry no ye ntumi an resolve issue no under emergency ABA.
But would you to see a Kasai?
Oh, and we deserve.
So,
He said the SCCA Kakaya call of Yaya Gusu Kasai. Why not?
It Kasane Kasai and a bit me a government to be a panic.
No. So said your one kind initially, lack of planning.
For
on the part of Omano, those who supposed to be making this decision planning now. And the man will constitute the so-called emergency. It is a nipa now no affected ne complaining odi complaining. Who will create unnecessary emergencies on him. I'm issue to me bisa me say ana money etutu ye no a ye friend so-called emergency resolution. Were they emergency? Because for 4 years no so no still ani egugusu mu. The issues ne buy na within 6 months ye dey say money buy na resolving academy say emergency power plant be na cover buy ya. Na nka bi no ayadwen. I should not take you 2-3 years. And the plant back one baron back and say what procure under emergency. No. And now when you now koso yaba be drew baby obi advice say there be SS no say this particular one here on board CCA. Uno mun ko negotiate na ebia mun trio moka $18 million. And no crown $18 million. Enya emu $5 million kwa kudu apa denchira wesa
ebeboa
ye besesa apa denchira we shebre this emponke $18 million kwa na still to me can acceptable again also the recommendation ko and that is this say energy commission boss ne others na some city committees omunyina wo at the time they were signing all these kinds of SS power which is an agreement now for this recommendation ne ko no again, the house may say the party kakra from Minua Ejekum. The fact some of the recommendation ni kwa does not necessarily mean say the kaumu kokoshia sanko for nanka they will just accept the 18 and walk away.
I could have been the basis for renegotiation.
Whatever the case, yes. And I don't know lawyer for also as usual. Also share even recommendation am the buy no crime no. And no say no. Plus be she baby yes if you so me breach here. And that termination, if you see bit me explore, honor. Now 18 no cry, ne bianca, yentia cry. Kuku we arbitration. I'm Rakanso, Kuku we arbitration, we are making us. As you said, Ubia ye the also or ye at that place in Swa. And also yeah, another issue.
I just hear arbitration no cross here less expensive.
Yes. It is Ubia ye the also or ye, and also another issue. And ya agree on figure be said afi yenkonkotua baby afi yedi ya ba bedu ubehu ye be ye we no hu dede saa acha ba Monday na issue fufuro aba bebu
ele ba ko nam kwan mu
na fine na ye jat ho typical Ghanaians na ye jat ho na ye move to the next issue no na say them can ye the technocrats and perhaps some political individuals be so o man yo madwuma yi ntia dia ba beduru he no na they all get away either under the auspices of ministries na nasi or union or under the auspices of MPP NDC Temintino they jai or they get away with it na or minor as a whole and I bread. It's a message to media maybe for once you go into these issues ni na say individuals be anyo medwuma yi na say mra between no media let's deal with them now you lessons from it
yo
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM